So whether it's a floor-to-chair transfer or a transfer from surfaces that are more evenly spaced from the floor, this grab point is something that we designed into the chair that we think is going to be an advantage, that we believe is going to reduce the stress and strength requirements, the stress on the joints and the strength required to do these transfers. So if I'm transferring with one hand on the surface I'm sitting on and reaching across the chair to where most traditional chairs have their grab point on these cantilevered frames that have the tube, or reaching even further across to the wheel, which some people do, it's putting a lot of stress. This joint is really opened up, which is not the way a shoulder is designed to work. And so you're putting a lot of stress on your shoulders. And we think that reaching down, even though it's a short distance away, closes this shoulder joint and gives you a lot of mechanical advantage in terms of getting into the chair. So instead of this leap of faith and hoping that we have enough strength to manage it, we're reaching down, pushing off with this arm and transferring the weight onto an almost straight arm so that as you transfer, it's a very smooth transition. And in a similar way, getting out, traditionally we're grabbing our chairs up here, and at the end of the movement, my shoulder joint is going to be really, really wide open. So you can see here, as I'm putting all my weight down, my shoulder is open and exposed, as opposed to being down here where I would have a straighter arm, closed joint, less stress on the shoulders, and less wear and tear.